Hello, mga kalupad. Maayong hapon. Yan, it's Holy Thursday, Maundy Thursday. Okay, yun sila, it's a time to reflect, a time to think about the sacrifices that we have done, because somebody up there has sacrificed himself. So we can also do that here, no? Right now we can reflect on the past and the path that we have taken and the perseverance that you have made. Now, why am I talking about this? Because as an ATF director, I've heard a lot of sacrifices from our students who are workers and enrolled here at Liceo de Cagayan University ATF program. Okay, many of them would say that they were not able to continue schooling or finish schooling because of financial reasons, financial constraints. Others would say, gipauna lang nila, they allow their siblings to graduate. Then, pwede na po sila nga mo graduate. They prioritize others, therefore, before themselves. And there are a lot of sacrifices tungod kay accidentally they got pregnant and they have to take care of their kids or their parents who are not doing well already. So they stopped schooling for a while and they went to work. Those are some of the human sacrifices that we have done in our life. The bottom line here is that they were not able to finish college. So it's time, therefore, to reflect on this and find it's high time, therefore, that they have to face the music, and therefore they have to prioritize themselves. So it's a time also of redemption for them, so that they can already get the degree that they are dreaming of for the longest period of time. Now, we are thankful of Republic Act 12124 because this law allowed them to graduate while at the same time without sacrificing their work. So what we need, first is that you must be a Filipino citizen. Secondly, you must be at least high school graduate, either in the old curriculum or the new curriculum, that is senior high school completer, or you are a passer of PEPT or ALS, okay, provided that in your certification there is a remark there that you are allowed to proceed to college. Then you must be at least 23 years old. Okay, in the previous CHED memorandum, it's 25 years old. They reduce it to 23 years old because 23 years old now is not the same as mature, as knowledgeable and skillful as before, because there are a lot of sources of knowledge and skills, not only by going to school, but there are other avenues like the social media would provide you the necessary work knowledge and skills. So probably this is the reason why they reduce it. Okay, Congress together with the Commission on Higher Education reduce it to 23 years old. Then next requirement, you must be at least 5 years at work, or at least 5 years of work experience, not necessarily a continuous 5 years. So it may be not non-continuous, provided you have reached at least 5 years and you are doing the same job, the same line of work, so that you are doing the same application of the same skills and you gain the same knowledge. For instance, okay, we have students we enrolled in marketing management, but in different companies, but the student is through and through doing selling, promoting, managing inventory, checking product, checking the quality of production, so on and so forth. So part of the whole gamut of the expected competencies of a marketing marketing management graduate. So then at least you must have the drive to finally finish what you have started, the drive to finally enroll and continue what you have not finished or what you have not started. Start what you have not started while Republic Act 12124 is here and Liceo de Cagayan University is willing to very much with open arms willing to accommodate you. So this season of reflection, you ask yourself, is it time to turn my experience into a diploma? If yes, then visit us. Visit Liceo ATIAP office. Or you can email us. There is an email there. Yan. atiap@liceo.edu.com. It's a journey to adelante. It's a journey to success. So, mga kalupad, unsa pay atong gihulat, no? The bonus here, my friend, mga may kalupad, is that we are offering a very minimal fee, okay, and payable in staggered for 1 year. For 1 year. And you can apply for SSS loan or scholarship from any of the city agencies of the government. Okay? That's the bonus here. The other bonus is you can proceed to Masteral, to the College of Law. Okay? And we have already produced graduates of ATIAP who are lawyers already, or masteral degree holder, and even doctorate degree holder. So unsa pa inyong gihulat, no? Mga kalupad. Okay? Lupad na. Dili kinanglan manager, supervisor, rank and file, provided when we assess you, okay, you have the necessary work skills, work knowledge, therefore, okay, that is related to any of the courses that we offer. Okay, remember that we are just agents of the government. We are the agents of Republic Act 12124, and this law is made for Filipino workers to make you professional, to level up you as workers, as Filipino workers. Unsa pay gihulat, lupad na mga igsoon, ayaw na gulat, lupad na.